Introducing AI Lite, the groundbreaking educational kit designed to bring the power of artificial intelligence to your classroom. With AI Lite, students from grades 6 to 12 can dive into the world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision through hands-on, experiential learning.
What if you could be a contributor to solving a major global problem?
AI Lite makes learning complex technologies accessible and fun. Students can build and program AI-powered applications, unleashing their creativity and developing real-world skills.
We are bringing AI-driven robotics mainstream.
This bot is so streamlined and efficient that it can be built in under 3 minutes, making it perfect for quick deployment without compromising functionality. The AI Lite kit is packed with advanced components including a camera sensor, ultrasonic and IR sensors, and a color sensor, enabling students to explore a wide range of AI applications. Assembly is simple, making it easy for students to get started. Using MIT app Inventor and Python, AI Lite introduces students to cutting-edge technologies like OpenCV and machine learning techniques. Lesson plans crafted by US educators align with NGSS, CSTA, and ISTE standards, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your curriculum. AI Lite is not just a kit, it's a long-term educational investment. Our kit is designed for 2 students and anticipated a 5-year service life, making it an economical choice for progressive learning.
We believe that today's learners are tomorrow's developers.
From middle school to high school, AI Lite is the key to unlocking the future of education. AI Lite, infinite possibilities.